Mark Claiborne here from Client Dispute Manager Software. Listen, I want to show you a cool little feature we just released this morning. Well, today we just released that's going to make your life even easier when it comes to printing out your letters and printing out your docs, printing out proof of ID, proof of social, and proof of address. Now, these are documents that the credit bureaus will ask you for from time to time to prove your identity. So what we've done is a lot of you guys have asked for this feature and we've added it in. So now in the Client Dispute Manager, you will be able to preview your letters on the bulk print screen and also preview the documents, the ID, and the proof of address before you print out your letter, saving you time from going back into the software to take a look at what your letter looks like. The same thing for using our one-click print automation. You will be able to preview the letters and ID and proof of identity before you send them over to LetterStream to print out your letters. All right, so let me show you this great feature. It's gonna save you a lot of time, again, a lot of frustration. I wanna get right into it and I wanna show you exactly what we did because we're always looking out for you, the customer. All right, so let me show that to you right now. All right, so what I'm doing right now, I'm here inside of the Client Dispute Manager software. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go directly to bulk print because I've already prepared it for you. So let's go to bulk print right here. And I have this customer, so this letter is going to Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. And this is a letter. So say for example, I don't have LetterStream turned on. I don't have the one-click automation turned on. This is just our standard bulk printing. So say for example, these are the IDs, social, and proof of address. So say for example, I want to see this letter. I want to see what this letter is before I mail it out. So what I'm gonna do is click on View Letter. And as you can see, it shows me the letter before I print it. So if I want to edit or make any changes to this letter, I know I can do that by previewing the letter. This is just a preview, but if I want to edit the letter, I will simply click on here to edit the letter. Now over here, this orange eye here is to review your proof of identification. So before you print this letter out for this customer, Avinash, you can make sure the license is there, the social security card is there, and the address is there before you mail it out. Now this is the same procedure when it comes to the one-click automation as well. So it's the same procedure. It's not any difference. You can preview your letters. You can preview your proof of identification before you send your letters over the LetterStream for printing. This is fantastic. It's quick. It's straight to the point. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not a current software member, just click the link anywhere inside of this video to start a free 30-day trial and check out our one-click print automation where you never have to go to the post office ever again. Our partner will print all of your letters for you, mail all of your letters for you, saving you tons of time, saving you on manpower, saving you on frustration, and saving you on stamps. I'll see you at the next time.